Looks like we got another little one. They're everywhere around here. No rain out, so take him down the road, drop him off. Peace.